What? That doesn't make any sense. Hey guys, Jeff from Three Bears. So, remember last time? Scott is hiding in there somewhere. There he is. So, we're putting the top on today. You can see we got the 6 posts all the way around. Now we're going to put up a PVC cover. That there, you can see it right there. It's a white PVC, 1.5 inch PVC grid we put together in order to so you can see. Anyway, I'll come back, I'll explain it as we go. So what we had done was, we had put the PVC grid already up on one side, and we're going to leave it up there and install the tarp on it. But decided against that, we would bring the PVC grid down, lay the tarp on it, screw it in place, and then put it back up. That sounds easier than it was, and you'll see towards the end how tough it really was. Okay, pet peeve. Can you read that? Bottom corner says 15 by 30. But then look what it says when you get closer. Finish size 14.6 by 29. What? That doesn't make any sense. It's not like wood where you cut it at 2x4 and it shrinks. Before we go on, allow me to explain. The reference I'm making is talking about actual dimensions of wood versus nominal dimensions of wood. When lumber manufacturers cut from a tree, it is called an actual lumber size. 2x4, 2x8, 4x6, you get my point. This cut is called the actual dimension. Now the newly cut lumber is wet, and for it to be consumer ready, needs to be kiln dried. This process removes the moisture, which in turn shrinks the lumber. Once the drying is complete, the boards are planed and sanded to standard sizes. So what started as a 2x4 now measures 1.5 by 3.5, which is called the nominal dimension. So that's the difference between the actual dimension and the nominal dimension. This is that. So you order it at 15 by 30. We build it 15 by 30, but it comes 14.6 by 29 and 8. 29 and 8 inches. Look a little shorter than 29. Yeah, that does not. And we did ours dead on. The next step was for us to take the tarp and attach it to the PVC roofing grid. We decided on flat metal roofing screws with the attached rubber washer. That made it easy for us to fasten down without tearing the tarp, using the eyelets from the tarp as our guides as well. Since we had to decide on what to do with the last 1.5 feet, we threaded that with rope in order for us to move forward and get this project done, at least today. We'll come back and replace the tarp with a newer one at a later date. The final step was definitely difficult. I had to recruit my son and my wife in order to make this complete and pull it, since two of us just could not complete this on our own. It does hit that wire on the right hand side, but that is only a cable line, not an FPL or power line. And that's it. It went up, done, just in the nick of time.